ગિફ્ટ સિટી વિશે આપ સૌને ખ્યાલ જ છે, રાઈટ?
યસ 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 બધા લોકો જોડાયા હતા.
આ ગિફ્ટ સિટી જે છે ને એ ક્યાંક ને ક્યાંક ધ વર્લ્ડ સાથે બહુ સારી રીતે કનેક્ટેડ છે. કેવી રીતે છે અને હું કેમ ખૂબ માનું છું એનું કારણ દર વખતે કંઈક ને કંઈક એવું અપગ્રેડેશન લઈને આવતા હોય છે કે મને ખૂબ આનંદ થતો હોય છે. પણ મારે એ પૂછવું છે, ગિફ્ટ સિટીનો લાસ્ટ ટાઈમ તમે ફોટો બતાવ્યો હતો, તો મને એ કહો કે જે ગિફ્ટ સિટીનો ફોટો બતાવ્યો હતો તમે કઈ એની સાથે કંઈ કનેક્શન છે આપણું ધ વર્લ્ડનું?
આટલી બધી ગિફ્ટ આપી.
હા, એટલે બીજું પણ કંઈ ગિફ્ટમાં લાવ્યા છો?
આ સરપ્રાઈઝ છે. ધીસ ઇઝ ગાંધીનગર ઇન્ફોર્મેશન ટેકનોલોજી સિટી, GIFT ગિફ્ટ સિટી, બેંક ઓફ અમેરિકા, NSC ટાવર, IFC ટાવર, સેન્ટ્રલ યુનિવર્સિટી. This is the admin part, the infrastructure, the buildings. So Gift City basically is financial center from the government. एक history का हो. Bombay Stock Exchange was built in 1875 under the British rule of India. It was set by nearly 80 brokers of 18th century. The financial brokers, it was the privately owned because it was the British rule. It was a different Indian rule. Later on, in 1992, so almost 115 or 17 years later, 92 માં ગવર્મેન્ટ ઓફ ઇન્ડિયાએ વિચાર્યું કે બોમ્બે સ્ટોક એક્સચેન્જ જેટલું ફંડ લાવી દે છે by the people who are entrepreneurs and business નાના મોટા firms, they were the one who gets the fund to India for indirect or indirect investment. હવે બધું ભાષણ કેમ એમ.
એક્ઝેક્ટલી, મને એમ થાય છે કે આમાં કનેક્શન.
So જે બોમ્બે સ્ટોક એક્સચેન્જ છે એ it's run by Dalal Street Cooperating Housing Society. It is composed of 72 brokers today. એક ટાઈમ હતો જ્યારે મોદી સાહેબ thought to develop this nano
Yes.
city.
Yes.
Gift City was initially a nano city. A concept હતો, it has a good future. Later on, this city was named as a Gift City. આ વિડિયો 2023નો છે. This is 2023. But 2018, which is like a 10 years later of 2008, this city was half built. Again, the Bombay Stock Exchange, they, one of the world's pioneer, they thought to invest. They thought to set up a module in Gift City.
એટલે હજી તો પૂર્વ ભૂમિકા બંધાઈ છે, એ આપણે જાણવું જ છે કે ગિફ્ટ સિટી અને ધ વર્લ્ડ.
So basically this building you see, also the name is, જે સ્ટ્રીટ છે ગાંધીનગરમાં એનું નામ છે દલાલ સ્ટ્રીટ, because they derived from Mumbai and they were the one to bring this concept. તમને એમ થતું હશે કે આનો નાનો આપણે શું connection, what is the connection, right?
પેલું
So looking at this concept, the world, more of a land and building and plus interior and then hospitality project. આજે આપણે એક્સચેન્જ પ્લાઝા જોડે જે કામકાજની પદ્ધતિ આગળ કરવા જઈ રહ્યા છે. So we have a setup of a square feet ownership over there. It's a strata still. Again, આ પ્રોપર્ટી અથવા આ કંપની આજ પછી એક રૂપિયો બી કમાશે તો ફર્સ્ટ જે મતલબ કે અહીંયા તમે કેશ આપ્યો અથવા તમે કાર્ડ સ્વાઇપ કર્યું, that is linked directly to the Gift City account. Straight away 50 paisa will come back to Surat. That distribution will come from here. Timely share, generation to generation. Now the company's memorandum has been changed. We did so many meetings. We did so many Zoom meetings and discussions when there was a point that what happens when the property runs. There are two things. One is a front, one is a back. Front is what? That retail, insurance, stays, these are all the incomes. What is the back side? The people around here. Say every 10 years, every 5 years, we will not ask them to sign or renew any of the contract. Neither they want to. Reason? Because they have trusted this concept. They are getting clear accounts of their income. So even they don't want to go into the, like every 5-year renewal system or every 10 years. So we together, we met, we did this and we changed the memorandum of this company, and it has never happened in entire India or entire world where you have agreed that we will share no matter what. Third generation, 300 years later, your grandson will not try to do anything different than your motto, because you were the one to set up this, you were the one to invest in this, you are the one who would want to get the income and returns on this. So that's how it's a systematic model. But then even we look forward generation that we distribute this fair distribution system and to route the fund and give us the situational starta fund back, which is affiliated by lawyers, CAs, so they get that this is the good accounts. Later on, obviously, even we are part of this building. We own share of this building. Generation will get their own UPI banking system time to time. So this project stays as very separate part of their life, their generations, and apart from them, whatever work they do, we wish that they succeed ahead. And yeah, so this is the gift from the Gift City, that any single rupee earned from this place, even in the future, for example, next go a fair and transparent module. And the benefit of this, that when you get your UPI enabled banking system, it will be easy for you to divert your fund. Say example, you want to invest some platforms. So you are trained, your rupees here, this 20 paise goes to this account, or this 30% goes to this account, because in this building 18 POS are registered here, whereas you get the straight income of your rentals, and rest all 70 POS are for us. Wiki, we also have pledged the government, and today now we pledge, before reveal the gift to our Prime Minister Modi ji, we reveal that any of the fund of Hindwa will remain in Gift City for two generation and timely allocation. That's all.
Yes. So in short, we can say that
Traditional with modernity. So
Yes.
everywhere,
So this
I
is
think
your
modern
vision.
property you see, but we are still doing the tradition of housewarming or
Exactly,
glue,
exactly.
and then Navratris. So this property is just not the city center, but it's a national center, whether whenever anybody wants to do any event, any stayovers.